I'm not wanted by the police that I know of.
So what happened in the beginning of the year? I didn't see you out with this for a little while.
I was just running the other truck. It's in the garage here, a yellow one. I had some stuff to do to this one.
Okay.
So I was just to get another truck in the garage.
Yeah.
I was running that one.
That's an old Pike truck, isn't it?
Yeah.
I thought so.
Yeah, it's an old Pike trailer, and that's an old Pike truck, yeah.
Whatever happened to your other asphalt trailer? Because I remember you guys had two of
Yeah,
them.
we did. You're very observant. We sold it. Some guy had offered my son some money for it. It was a good price. It's hard to find drivers, too, for everything, so. We figured we'd just have one.
Well, at least you got this. This is...
Yeah, we'll probably keep that.
Thank God. Please don't ever get rid of this. Ride's really nice.
Yeah? Good ride truck. That's why when I ran over the road with it, he was comfortable.
I know my Uncle Corey's ride's really rough.
Single axle was probably short.
Yeah.
Yeah. It says air ride suspension with the cab's on the air ride too. Yeah, so that's where I see you most, down here by Home Depot.
Yeah. If I know you're out, I'll chill down there and wait for you.
So did you go to Lebanon school?
Yeah. I went to Ledyard though for the last couple of years.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, how many speeds is this?
It's a 13.
13?
Yeah.
Jake brake on this truck sounds amazing.
Yeah. Got mufflers, but they're not real quiet mufflers.
get your shifter knob? Is that original?
No, got it down North Carolina at a truck stop. But we haul a lot of, we haul asphalt, paved roads.
Yeah.
So yeah, we get it.
Do you ever haul anything else with this? Or?
Yeah, I haul gravel, sand, small rocks, different stuff. You don't haul big rocks in one of these.
Right.
Patrick, you got a copy?
Hello?
Hey, is it alright if I just pass on the get a ride? Is it okay if I just pass under the sidewalk, show them where we're going?
Sure. You pass slow. I'll give you, show them 3 drums, and you can show them down to Springfield.
There you go.
Go for it, Steve.
This is where we load asphalt. You'll pull in here and there's a set of scale. You see the blinking light in there?
Yeah.
There's 5 different silos, and whichever one's blinking is the one you're gonna load at.
Okay.
So we would stop by that blinking light underneath. Doors open up. See them doors up there?
Yeah.
They slide open and then asphalt drops from up above you into the trailer.
Oh, wow.
You drop 3 times. See the scale up there, the numbers?
Yeah.
It tells you how much you weigh, and then you drop 10,000 pounds at a time. So when you come off of here, you weigh 99,000 pounds. We're near 100,000.
Wow.
So we weigh 38,000 something now, and then you'll drop 3 drops of 10,000, leave 99,000.
Wow.
That's what you do. You stop and go, and stop and go. You get the paperwork out of these little boxes.
Wow.
Thank you, Patrick.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like you see signs like that, you see the sun flash on it. It ain't real sunny today, but like them signs, if the sun hits my visor just right, it'll make them white. See that? See that one light up?
Yeah, I just saw that.
Right, it's the sun shining off my visor, reflected. On a real sunny day, I'll meet other guys in trucks and they'll say, "Ah, your sunlight is blinding me." See it shining on them.
I like the sun visor. It makes your truck look really nice.
Yeah, the other one, you couldn't see it when you were sitting in here. It was just up above. It was small, and you couldn't even see it. I brought this one and dropped it. Just for look. It does help shade the sun more than the regular one. pickup.
right there.
Yeah.
That's really cool. What year is that?
96.
It's really neat.
Old camper there.
Where's your blue dump truck?
Out front.
Oh.
That I was working on. You just put it in the garage. I gotta change the tire.